always hope from you. It would mean everything to me if I do. Tired of hearing excuses you're making. Future is set, it is mine for the taking. Spending all my time living all I've made up. I need to wake up.
The weekend's back. Hey there guys, it's DCS right here in another weekend, and over here it's pretty interesting. This time it's the same Hot Wheels series, but as you saw in my intro, it wasn't a car, it's a truck guys. This time over here I have is a 10 on 10 in HW Hot Trucks. It's a pretty rare one. It's the 1978 Dodge Little Red Express truck guys. A really rare truck to find. You can actually find the 1979 Dodge Red Express truck, but the 1978 one without the catalytic converter, it's really hard guys, and it's pretty unique too. Like, this car actually came with only a single color, that was the crayon red out of the factory. That was pretty nice, but over here I have is a custom blue one. It is pretty nice to see it with a different color, but the red is more preferred guys. I really like this truck and I just wanted to make a video on it, so yeah, here it is guys. No cars this time it's a truck. Well, okay guys, so let's just talk about the last week's video now. So the last week's video was another classic and a unique one, but it was a cop car. It's the 71 Porsche 911 guys. If you haven't watched that, check that out. It was also a cool car. Well, yeah, this time, sorry guys, I'm not putting the quiz this time. You'll get it in the next week's video. Well, yeah, thanks for cooperating. And so let's move on. It's time to unbox it. So let's go. Alright, finally out of the box, guys. This truck, this 78 Dodge Little Red Express truck is amazing. I was preferring it to be, in the, the original crayon red color, but the blue is suited. It's so damn cool. The glitterish blue on this car is so amazing. I really like it, and the pinstriping on this car is also damn cool. Like, it's almost all over the car, but it's quite empty at the rear. I really like the details on the tailgate of this car, and of course the floor bed is also nice. It's continued from the interior, from the grayish interior to the exhaust, and then it comes to the floor bed. The chrome bumpers on this car are also pretty damn amazing. I like those stock wheels guys. Like, that's almost the best thing on this car. But yeah, it comes with some of the disappointments. That is, of course, it has no side view mirrors. The tail lamps and the headlamps are not detailed. But hey, look at the bright side. It has the transparent glass, which is pretty damn amazing. And those wheel arches at the rear are pretty deeply detailed. That's pretty nice on this. I really like this truck, guys. Like, it's amazing. I really like its color and all the other things, leaving its, disadvantage types. Well, let's just move on to the information, guys. And so, moving on to the information of the 1978 Dodge Little Red Express truck, guys. It's time to know something about this cool truck right here. So let's start off with the body style. The body style is a two-door pickup truck, obviously, as you can see it. So, talking about its production, actually there were only 2 model years of this truck. It was the 1978 pickup truck, which I have in front of me, and there was the 1979 pickup truck. Only 2 model years of this, and they stopped producing it. Well, that's a bit of disappointment. Well, talking about its horsepower, guys, this truck packed up to 225 horsepower. If you ask me, it's quite decent at its time, like 1978, right? So, talking about the engine, guys, the engine, it it came with only one option. That was the 360 cubic inch, which is nothing but 5.8 liter 4-barrel small block V8. That's again pretty decent for its time. And moving on to the transmission. The transmission was the A727 automatic, guys. So it was just a 3-speed automatic, and that was the only option. Well, I can't say whether that's good. Yeah, it's not so good. Well, moving on to its dimensions, guys. I only was able to find the weight, the current weight of this truck. Well, it says that it was 2,744 kilograms. That is pretty damn heavy, guys. It's really, really heavy. Well, let's just see the 0 to 60 time on this truck. They say that the 0 to 60 time was 7.5 seconds. I mean, like, with that kind of weight, this 7.5 second mark is insane. I mean, like, wow, so fast. That's pretty nice. And moving on to its top speed. The top speed of this truck was claimed to be 118.9 miles per hour. Again, for that kind of weight, this is pretty cool top speed. Well, let's just talk about the pricing, guys. The pricing, it was ranging from $20,000. I mean, at present, it is ranging from $20,000 to $30,000. So, yeah, guys, there you have it. The end of the information. So, it's time for one thing, the ratings, guys. So, with all of its details, I know I was pretty impressed with it, but I give it a 7 out of 10, guys, because overall, this truck ain't so cool, but it is good. It could be better. Yeah, it could have been better. Well, guys, there you have it. It is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you all next week. Stay tuned for the next week's video, guys, and also comment your opinion on this truck. Bye-bye.